friends, welcome back and thanks for joining me for another video. Let's get straight into it. This packet here feels like, there's lots of things in this packet. Let's open it. Oh, let's have a look inside. Oh, I know this one. See, we're starting to get a lot of double ups now. This, if I'm not mistaken, is the garden table. Let's empty it out. Yep. Wow. Another garden table. That's great because you can never have too much furniture. So we've got 2 little brown pieces and 1 big brown bridge looking piece. We put that on there and that on there. Oh, click. And that's clicked on. How good's that? Now we need to put the tabletop on, and it comes in 2 pieces. So we click that there and we click that there. And guess what? We have another table. That's so good. All right, I'll put that with the other table. And let's open another packet, huh? Oh, here it is. Now I wonder what this one's going to be. This one feels, I think I can feel some vegetables. Let's open it and see. Have a look inside, a little sneaky peeky. Oh, yep, that looks like vegetables to me. Let's open it. Let's tip it out. Wow, they are vegetables. And let's see what we've got. We've got some broccoli. We've got an avocado and an orange carrot. And this, I'm pretty sure, is going to be the chopping board. So what we need to do is turn this over and we need to peel this sticker off to make it a chopping board. Let's peel her off. There we go. And according to the instructions, we just pop the sticker on like so. And there we have a gorgeous avocado chopped up on a chopping board. Now what we can do is put our other veggies on. So we've got a stalk of broccoli and we've got a whole avocado, and I'm wondering, will this carrot fit on? I hope it will. Yay! Amazing! We did it! That is so awesome. You know what? Let's celebrate with opening 1 more packet. What do you think? Let's do it. We'll push those guys back. And we're going to open another packet. Oh, so exciting. All right, now let's see. I'm hoping there is a person or an animal in this one because we need people and animals. So let's open and let's check. Ooh, this is one we haven't had before. And I can tell that by the green. Let's tip it out and see what it is. This one is called a palm tree. And on the back, there's no stickers, so it's just the tree. Let's put a tree together, shall we? All right, so we start with this bit here, which is the ground. And then we put this bit on, which I guess would be the tree trunk, right? And it says to put it right here. So that's where we've put it, right there. And then this bit here, oh, isn't this pretty? This is the top of the palm tree. And you know what? We will just pop it right on there. And look what we've got. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm going to need to bring you guys closer for this because it is simply stunning. And I'm dropping vegetables everywhere, but that's okay. Look at that. Isn't that just so delightful? It's a beautiful green and brown palm tree. Do you have palm trees where you live? They are so pretty. Yay! Look what I have here. It's another little envelope of bricks to open, or little packet. But guess what? I'm not opening it now. I will open it in the next video. So I need you to press like for this video and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell. The notification bell will let you know when I upload a new video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.